everybody, how are you? I have not filmed a video and I feel like, well, I did edit the one from my IKEA haul, but after that I haven't filmed any videos. It has been crazy, I think, for a lot of people. A lot of people, you know, are under the weather, they're not feeling well. There's all this fiasco with the grocery store and things like that. And if you don't know, I somewhat work in the grocery industry. I work for a co-op and for grocery stores in a transportation department, and so we have been crazy. It's been a long couple of weeks so far, really about a week. And then yesterday, y'all, it's just gonna get worse. Yesterday I got home, or last night, about 3:30 in the morning. I worked 14 hours. I'm sure I'll have close to 50 hours in by the end of this week, maybe even 60, and I only work 4 days a week. So y'all pray for my sanity this week, because as fast as we're bringing it in, the trucks are taking the groceries back out. There were a couple of things, to be honest, that really surprised me about going. I wasn't like one of these people who just felt like they had to make this mad dash to the grocery. And so, you know, my husband went, he picked up a couple of things, and then we went and did just our regular grocery shopping on Saturday. And it was amazing to me, the things that were gone. Of course, we all know the toilet paper and the paper products, you know, fiasco. I didn't need any of those things, and so I didn't, it wasn't on my list. And I don't care if they're out of toilet paper. I mean, I do care, because I hate it for the other people who need it. But you know, cleaning products, I can understand that. But there was plenty of milk in our grocery store and Walmart. There was plenty of beef in ours, which I had heard that some people are having trouble finding meat. And but pizzas, frozen pizzas, that's what's gone in our grocery store. Frozen pizzas and the frozen vegetables were down. So I am really thinking that it's a great idea that the Walmarts and the grocery stores are, even if they were 24 hours, are only having certain hours, so that they can kind of do a reset and you know, clean their store and try to make it more accessible and easy for those who want to get some shopping done. All right, I have a ton of boxes down here. Some of them are from this month, some of them may not. I think there's one that's not that I'm gonna be filming. I'm just gonna do a mass film today. So if you see this shirt a couple of times, my apologies. But today I want to get into Boxylux. So I'm going to unbox the Boxylux, and at the end of this video, I'm going to tell who the winner of last month's Boxycharm is in this video, because I want to get your prize out to you. So stay tuned for seeing who wins that, and let's see if there's any giveaways in this box. Alright, so I did slit the tape. It's got brown paper right here, so let's just see what's under the brown paper. More brown paper. And it looks like a palette. I have not watched any videos. I have not peeked at what is in here. So it's a head scratcher to me what's in here. All right. This is what's in here. Those are some pretty colors. It doesn't, oh, it does have a mirror. See, it has a long length mirror. There is some pretty glittery colors in here. I don't know that I'm gonna swatch it. I really don't need. I need to be using what I have. So I'm gonna slide it back in here and I'm probably gonna give it away. Alright. You know what? I forgot that there is no card anymore. So let me go before I get any further and see if I have an email to know what all this stuff is worth. Alright, so I could not find an email that said what was in here. I did, however, find a couple of the sneak peeks on my account for Boxylux, so I'm just going to do the best that I can. The first thing that I picked was the Sutra curling iron. Sorry, that's my phone. It's Noom, and it's reminding me that I need to log food today. I haven't even eaten. But this one is like a butter yellow color, and it's just one of the little curling ones. It does have a cool tip on the end. It says it's worth $50, and with Boxylux, I forgot to tell you that if you don't know, it is I think 7 to 9 items. It is a regular Boxy charm box plus the extras to make it the Luxe, and it's I think $50 a month. 8 to 9 full-size product, and it's an additional $24.99 on top of your $25 that you pay for the regular box. All right, so I'm excited to use this and see how it works. I do not have a curling wand, and so I'm looking forward to trying that. Then I did, when I was opening it up, I did see this. So we'll go back to this one a minute, and it's worth a $39 value. So whoever gets this palette, it'll be worth almost $40. The other thing that I chose was this, and I think they're metal straws. Sorry for the noise, but they come in this nice little bag. Yeah, they're gold straws, a set of 4, and they come with a little cleaning brush. I was happy to get these because we're always using like the Bubba cups or Yeti cups or something, but I prefer a straw. And so I was happy to be able to choose these. I don't know how much it was, to be honest. I have no idea. All right, so those are not nice, and they're made by Bombshell Baker, so those are nice items right there. Then the next item I see is by PMD, Sonic Glow Technology, the beauty of silicone. And it is a smart facial cleansing device that uses Sonic Glow technology. It has 4 customizable modes and brush optimized for all skin types. And I got a pink one. I love pink. This I saw. Says it is a $99 value. Comes with a battery and the little bristles there. All right, it feels very nice. I am looking forward to trying this and seeing how I like it to clean my face. Stick that back in there. Now I'm getting to where I'm gonna lose the stuff in the bottom of the box. All right, the next thing I find is Invisibobble. It is the traceless hair rings. I have never used these in my hair before. And these are just the little teeny ones, but I do have my hair just kind of pulled back out of my face. So let's see how I like them. All right. So that's not terrible. You know what? Little story. My son and his girlfriend, they for probably the first year they dated, they had the bigger ones, and each of them wore one on their wrist. I guess that meant they were taken. I don't know, but so that's what this reminds me of. I should have done this. I'm sitting on a stool, and so I don't really have anywhere to set everything once I open it. I don't want to lose anything and forget. All right. The next thing that I see is by Becca Skin Love. It is a glow glaze stick. What is a glow glaze stick? I'm assuming it's a highlighter of some sort. Vitamin C, cold pressed avocado melon blend, and bitter ginger. Infused with glow nectar, brightening complex infused. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. It looks like it might be like some kind of highlighter or something. I won't swatch it. I definitely don't need any more highlighter. So I will put it in a giveaway for one of you. I don't think that was one of the things I saw in here either. Okay. Then I have two of these, and they are Bum Bum creams. This one is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, the Sol de Janeiro. It smells really good. It smells like summertime. So that's what it looks like. See? It's not totally full, which kind of really actually annoys me, because I mean, if I were to push that down in there, I mean, there's a big old hole in there. So just fill the products up. Just fill them up. That's all I ask, you know? So that's a bummer, because this is really good stuff. And I don't know. Then this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. And this one is the one that smells like popcorn. Straight up like popcorn. It is not my favorite. So I will put it in a giveaway as well. And then the last thing I have, I think it was on my sheet, $26 value. It is by NARS. And it is a lippy. You know what? Out of all the lippies that I own, I don't know. I think I have a NARS, but I don't think I've used it or opened it. I think I got it from Pam. Their packaging is really pretty though. It's a twist. Ooh, that's a pretty color. So I am gonna swatch this. Ooh, that is up my alley, girlfriends. I love that. What does it say the color is? Warm leatherette. That sounds very, very sexy, and I am ecstatic about that. All right, so just a little recap. I'm sorry, I don't know how much the box is worth, but I think it is supposed to be like around a $300 value for the Boxy Luxe. So got this. I know this was worth close to $100. This curling wand is worth $50. The palette was worth $39. I don't know how much the Becca highlighter is worth, but it's going to one of you guys. I'm gonna put in a giveaway at some point for this, the Coco Cabana cream. And we got the little hair ties that aren't supposed to leave, I think, the ring. Oh, and these. I'm really excited about these. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day, and don't forget to stick around for the end of this video to know who won the products from the last month's Boxycharm. All All right, Tina Palmer, you are the winner of the Boxycharm giveaway from last month. The 2 items that I decided to give away were the Sutra flat iron in baby blue and the Tarte base tape.